welcome to Every Man Has a Story. So, at the beginning of the video, I will be your host because Jan is driving the car. So now we are here at the gasoline station because Jan's gonna need to get her car fueled up. Yeah.
Hi guys, it's me again. A day in my life as a Filipina living in the Philippines. Today I'm here in Sambuanga with my sister Charlian. Ask her to accompany me. I want to go somewhere quiet, peaceful, and I want to check out some places like on the beach. I chose this place, and we passed this couple of times before last year, and I'm curious. Finally, we stopped here. It says here's Kape Hansa Bye Bye. So it's very quiet. It's only two of us around here, and we have a Filipino breakfast. In the menu, we didn't have much choices here, and so yeah. But we brought a Jollibee with us to make sure that we have enough food. And look, it's so pretty, and the weather is perfect. It's sunny. Having my relaxed day, relax for a day, and after this, back home again, being a mother, to be a mother. Oops. Next time, I wanna come back here. I'm gonna wear flip flops. Yeah. far, having a peaceful day. I got my time, and then we're going back home now.